Hello everyone. So today we are going to explore some good manufacturing practices and learn about the essential guidelines that helps us to maintain product quality and safety in pharmaceutical industry. So let's start with GMP in the pharmaceutical industries. The three major steps that are included in the GMP are consistency, safety and quality. Now, GMP guidelines ensure that pharmaceutical products are consistently produced and controlled according to the quality standards. They help minimize risk in pharmaceutical production that cannot be eliminated through the final product testing. Now, coming to the facility design and maintenance, it is mandatory to have clean rooms in the pharmaceutical facility where air quality, temperature, and humidity are controlled to prevent the microbial contamination. Now, checking air quality, sterilizing equipments, and monitoring the surrounding environments are also major supplementary steps in facility design. For instance, clean room filters air to remove contaminants like Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Pseudomonas aeruginosa is the most common contaminant in the industry. Okay. So, equipment is sterilized using autoclaves or gamma radiation to kill microorganisms like Bacillus subtilis. Now, personal hygiene is one of the most important measures used in GMP. Two important measures in personal hygiene are training and health screening. Employees are trained in hygiene practices to avoid contaminating products with microorganisms such as Staphylococcus aureus. Regular health checks ensure that employees do not carry infectious agents to their home. Now, raw material control. Maintaining the quality of the raw materials is another important aspect of GMP. Microbial testing for assessing contaminants like Salmonella species, controlled storage conditions to prevent microbial growth, and documentation to keep the records assemble the manufacturing practices for raw materials control. Now, validation of the process are required to ensure their effectiveness in eliminating the microorganism. Injectable drugs are tested for sterility. Manufacturing processes are monitored to prevent contamination by microorganisms like Bacillus subtilis, and of course the documentation which is mandatory in all the processes. Now all these steps are included in the process validation. Now coming to the documentation. Documentation is very important steps in GMP because it gives all the records of the processes that we are working on. So the detailed batch records and their clear SOPs are maintained to ensure thorough documentation of all the processes like microbial testing and cleaning procedures. Now there are applications in the pharmaceuticals using GMP. So these guidelines, what they do, they ensure that the products like drugs, vaccines and medical devices are safe and effective for utilization. Now, during the production of the antibiotics, GMP checks the entire process from raw material selection to final packaging. Why? To avoid the contamination and ensure product quality. Like for example, we must have heard in the industrial microbiology, like in the production of the antibiotics, each step such as fermentations, drying and packaging is monitored to prevent contamination by microorganisms. Like for example, we can say Bacillus subtilis. Okay, so these are some of the common steps that are followed while working in the pharmaceutical industry. This is the good manufacturing process that we need to apply before working, right? So for detailed notes and further insights, follow our LinkedIn page. Link is in the description. If you found this video informative, hit a thumbs up. Also share and subscribe for more content on related topics.